Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, I'm going to show you how to replace a power steering pump reservoir. We got this one from 1A Auto. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab the old reservoir and I'm going to pull it upward. It attaches to the coolant tank reservoir, just slides into the slotted area right there. So you can see two hoses here. We have the actual flow into the pump, and then we have the return hose. So I'm going to disconnect the return hose first. Yours might be a factory clamp, which is it's a one-time use, so you might have to break it off with a pair of cutters or pliers. So I replaced this one once already. I'm going to take this clamp off with a flathead screwdriver, move it on down, pry that off. There you go. So you don't want all the fluid going everywhere. I have a catch pan underneath, so when I do have some over drips, but I'm going to slide this back here and keep it above the level. So my new tank has these nifty little covers, caps it comes on. I'm not going to use them on the new one, but I can snap them on the old one so I don't lose fluid everywhere. So I'm going to get the bottom one off and ready to go. So I'm going to take this clamp off. This is a 7mm socket. I don't know if you have that style at home or whatever clamp you have. Just remove it, and if it's something you can't reuse, make sure you have one ready to go. That's the proper size. So now I'm going to just twist this right off. And, oh, see how quick that was. I'm going to rest that right there. Put this on there. Reattach my new reservoir. Make sure it's tight. Attach the return hose. I'm going to take this slotted guide. There's 3 of them. You can see there's 2 on the bottom and then 1 on the top. So push in on the bottom part of it while you slide it down, and it locks right in, like that. Now to transfer the fluid over, I'm going to take the bottom one off, and bring it on, let it pour in. I'm going to reuse this cap. And because I did spill some, I'm going to obviously pick up my mess here, but then I'm going to start it and run it and make sure I top this reservoir off of the new one with the manufacturer's specification for power steering fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.